Ukrainian drone army is on the move, destroying massive amounts of Russian equipment, taking out anything Russia can bring to the battlefield. While Russia's best invention of stopping drones is the cope cage, while Ukrainian drone managing fairly easy to avoid these, hitting other weak section of the equipment, as this Ukrainian drone showing the skills by hugging the field, flying towards a tree line where a 2S-19 Msta-S self-propelled artillery system is hiding with a cope cage. As the drone goes straight at the system, hitting it in the front, the shape-charged warhead will penetrate through the whole system, as it's non-armored, taking out another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.